Good afternoon, chicken friends, chicken mates. Welcome to Farm Supervision Series 2023-2024. We are holding a young stag, a product of our successful and bountiful harvest for this year's production period. We have recorded around 500 to 600 stags. We consider this year as a successful one despite the El Nino, which brought so much heat and dryness and dust. We were able to overcome the challenges of raising our chickens despite the heat and the unfavorable conditions. So if you have any questions, we are willing to share with you our chicken knowledge, our system, and our technology. Disinfectant and sebum powder para pantanggal sa dapaw. Patay din ng mga mikrobyo. Bagong huli ng mga stag ay nilalagay po sa timber pen para masanay po sila na maliit na lang po yung kanilang